Hey guys, it's Martin.
And Sophia.
And today we are going to be trying weird candy and drinks.
So first, we're going to start off with the Mega Sour Spray.
Mega Sour Spray. Here, let's open it up. We're going to try it.
Oh no, I'm scared. That's super good. That's really good.
Okay, it's not even sour.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not sour. What would you give it out of 10? 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because it's misleading and it's not sour.
Actually, probably an 8 out of 10.
An 8 out of 10, high five.
Because they scammed us.
Yep, they scammed us. Next, we got these mango rings with tahini. This looks interesting.
Agree.
Ooh, smell it.
Ew.
Oh. Right. All right. Cheers.
Scared. Scared. Actually, I kind of like it. Maybe not. Maybe not. We need a drink.
Next up, we'll try a drink. I mean, the mango's kind of good, but I don't like the stuff on the outside.
Yeah, agree.
You agree? Here, we'll throw it away.
Ouch.
Alright. I'm gonna give these a 5. I think they have some potential, but they're not there yet.
7.
I thought you didn't like it.
Well, the mango is good, but
The mango is good.
not the stuff on the outside.
Next up, we're trying cookies and cream milk,
Yum.
and it's warm.
Oh.
So,
Ew. But that will be good for us, hopefully.
yep,
Hopefully I don't throw up.
you won't throw up. Yoo-hoo. I've had their chocolate milk before, and it was good.
Mm.
Do you
What?
want to try it? That's pretty good. That's good.
Yum.
That's good milk.
Mm.
I'll give it a 9.
Same.
I'll give it a 9.2 actually.
That's basically a 9.9 out of 10.
9.9. Bang.
It's
This is good.
why it's not a 10 out of 10? Because like it's warm.
Yeah,
I'd
it is
rather have,
warm.
like fresh milk. But yeah, it's really.
But we could put it in the fridge. Then it'd be a 10 out of 10 if we put it in the fridge. All right.
Definitely out there.
Definitely up there. Warhead's Atomic Fizz Extreme. I don't know what is even in here, but
Yeah. So I think it's like just the
oh, it's like pop.
like the littles. Yeah. I don't know.
Which color should we do?
The pink.
The pink. Do you need help opening yours?
I mean, sometimes I do. Oh, I haven't had one of these, so I don't know what they look like.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mmm. Kinda.
It's really sour. Do you like it? I like locked up my jaw. Here, have some milk.
That's right there.
I'm not into sour stuff. That sour. I like locked up my jaw a little bit. What about you?
What? 10?
1 out of 10? I'll give it like a 4. Because like it did its job. But it's it is extreme. I don't know. I didn't get Atomic Fizz, so maybe that's at the center. But I don't want to like figure that out or anything. All right, what do you want to try? You finished that? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
All right, we got Fruity Pebbles, candy coated chewy bites. I don't know how good Fruity Pebbles being chewy would
They're
be.
good. Like,
I
eat
love
them
Fruity
like
Pebbles.
every time.
I had Fruity
And at
Pebbles.
grandma's. I have them literally like every day.
All right, we got it open.
Okay, good.
Smell it.
Well,
It smells like Fruity Pebbles.
yeah. No.
Somewhere. Yeah. Thanks, I got it. Do you like it? I know.
I think it's throwing me off that it's chewy and tastes like Fruity Pebbles. But like the flavor is Fruity Pebbles. What would you rate out of 10?
8.8 out of 10.
Dang. I'll give it a 3.
What's wrong about it?
It's chewy. It's weird. I don't like it.
It's good.
I've had these before, but Soph has not, so she wanted to get them. Birthday cake pretzel sticks.
Oh no.
What, you don't think they'll be good?
Nope.
I think they'll be good. Smell it. Alright, these are the birthday cake pretzel sticks. Here. Here's one.
I don't know.
Cheers. Bang.
I don't want to know what this is like.
It's good.
But yeah, I thought it would be about
What's your score?
a 1.1.
You really don't like it?
10.
You don't like it? So you wouldn't want to try another one?
I'll have some milk. I'll put it 2.11 out
Alright,
of 10.
that's respectable. That's respectable. I'll give it a 7.67. 7.67. That's what I'll give it.
So we got the wild berry Skittles drink. I've also never tried this. I've never tried any of this stuff.
Wild berry Skittles drink.
I'm scared. Actually, it might taste good.
Give it a try.
It smells good. Cheers. Yum. You definitely had it before.
I've not had it. I don't like it.
Wait, what?
Tastes like chemicals to me. What do you think?
9.99999 out of 10.
Wow, I'll give it a 2.3.
That's not respectable. It should be 10 out of 10.
I don't know, so
It's 9 because it's supposed to be like a bit colder.
true. I think it would be better colder. If it was cold, I'd give it a 3.4. Is that
Respectable.
respectable?
You got the filled ropes selling sweet lemonade.
Yep. Here. All right. Country time lemonade filled rope. I like the sweet tarts ropes. Have you ever had sweet tarts ropes?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Yeah, those are good.
Will they taste like this?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, you know. These kind of...
This is what it looks like.
kind of remind me of that.
It's a little weird. It tastes like the lemonade powder mix you put in water. What do you think?
It's good, but it's a bit taste the sour of it.
Yep. Lemony.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'll give it a 6.6. 6.9.
For some reason, I'll give it a 8.888 out of 10.
8.888.
Mhm.
Nice. Good score.
It's good.
Next, we're gonna try apple-filled muffin bites. Deliciously scrumptious.
Okay, hopefully. Hopefully it's not de-scrumptious, but I still love it.
Good vocab word. High five. Boom.
Hopefully these don't descend on
Do you want your own one?
Yes.
Or do you want to share one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hopefully these don't descend on when I eat them. I have no inclination how to open them. I must just pop them.
No.
And how do I do it? I might as well just steal your muffin.
Oh, it fell on the ground.
I might as well just steal your muffin.
That's okay. All right. Apple-filled muffin bite. Make sure you get some of the apple in your bite. Take a big bite.
Okay. I mean, we can take more than one bite.
Mm-hmm.
What?
It's just really dry. I don't want to finish it. Do you like it?
Kinda. I'll finish the outside, but I'm not really a fan of the outside. Inside.
What would you rate that?
I mean, it's good, but I don't really like the apple filling.
I'm gonna have to disagree with her. I like the apple filling because I think the muffin is dry, so the apple filling gives it some moisture. I'll give it a 5.7. What would you give it?
9 out of 9.10. 9.99 out of
9.99 out of 10 is Sophia's. Alright, nice. Next we have funnel cake mix. So we're gonna
have to say bye-bye to y'all for a little bit.
We're gonna cut to us making this, and then we're gonna taste test it. All right, guys, we finished baking it. I tried my best. It's weird to like fry it in a pan, but this is hopefully our best one. It's still kind of hot. Okay, so all right, we're gonna try it. Cheers. It's still hot though. Be careful. I don't like it.
Oh.
I don't think it tastes like funnel cake at all. I used extra virgin olive oil instead of vegetable oil for frying, so I think that made it taste weird, but I don't think we have vegetable oil.
Thank you.
You like it?
Mhm.
I'll give it a 3. What will you give it?
You're gonna be blown away when I tell you my answer.
Okay.
10.10.
Wow, you
Out
think
of
this
10.
is the best thing we've had?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. We got one more item for you guys, and it's cotton candy Faygo soda. I've had this before, but Sophia hasn't, so I want her to try greatness. This is the best thing
You
ever.
liked it?
I liked it a lot.
You gotta tell right after. Because you're gonna have to drink it too. It's fizzing out like this.
Is that good?
I guess.
11 out of 10. What will you give it?
20.
20.
Point 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Wow. So you think this is the best thing we've had? I agree. Go get cotton candy Faygo. It's
Get
good.
it. Get it. You better get all the things too. I'm watching you.
She's watching you. My favorite item was obviously the cotton candy soda, but I think the second best was the sour candy spray. What about you, Sophia?
I think I agree.
She agrees with me. Thank you, Sophia, for being on my channel. This is my niece, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Do you have any words for the viewers?
No.
You don't have any words. Give them something to say. Tell them something.
Have a good night. And like the video and subscribe. Bye.
Yep, like the video and subscribe. Bye, guys.